Well, welcome back to the channel, viewers. Today we're going to talk a little bit about value proposition. Here at Emerald Pacific, we've got a 1989 42-foot Ocean Alexander, low hours on its Detroits, and it's actually a 2-owner boat since new. So it's in pretty good shape for its age. What's most interesting about it, price was just reduced to $115,000. So take that in for a second. We're talking about a 42-foot boat, 2 staterooms, a number of upgrades for $115,000, ready to go boating. Let's check it out. Boat recently got a full enclosure up top done by Canvas Supply. And if anybody is familiar with the work they do there, 1, it's amazing. And 2, that's a $20,000 minimum proposition right there. Nice clear glass. Also, it's got a windshield wiper in the center, which was actually pioneered by Canvas Supply here in Seattle. If you've ever been boating in the rain with your canvas on, you're blind immediately. It's got a nice big Bruce anchor on the bow with 300 feet of all chain. Enclosure in the back as well, little swim platform. It's got a Novarania tender, and the Yamaha outboard is from 2023. Come around to the back, we can take a look at the nice little cockpit back here. It's got a swim platform. We've also got a nicely sized Magna propane barbecue with its own dedicated external tank, so you won't have to fill that but once a year. All right, come on, let's get inside. Big aft deck space here for any kind of outdoor furniture of your choice. This is a 2-place settee with a couple more chairs. You could easily fit 8 people back here. Back here, we've got stairs down to the cockpit, nice boarding gate onto the swim step, slider for the door here, so this space can be entirely enclosed. I'm 5'10", so we've still got plenty of headroom right here. Easy access up to the bow with railings all the way around. And again, enclosed. So you can sit back here in the summer and open these side curtains and get a nice breeze through here, keep you cool, and then zip it all up if it gets inclement. Really nice spot. Whoever's driving up there can easily converse with the people who are sitting back here. So it's a big open space. Let's go check it out. All right, up here on the helm area, you can see the enclosure from the inside out and get an idea about how beefy and well built this thing is. The windshield's got a windshield wiper on it, which is really nice for the Northwest, potentially inclement conditions like we have up here. You might be a little underwhelmed by the dash. Just remember this boat's 1989. It's only had 2 owners. It's $115,000. It's 2 staterooms with an aft cabin that's full width. Not much needs to be upgraded in terms of the engine controls and all that. Everything works wonderfully. It does have more modern navigation and tons of headroom, tons of seating space. Again, I'm looking right back down at the aft deck over there where I can converse with people while we're underway. Really is a nice setup up here, and amazing visibility forward. Basically, I can see all the way around the boat, 360 degrees. That about covers the helm area. Let's go down to the salon and have a look. Here we are on the salon on the 42 Ocean Alexander. Lower helm station, circuit panel, wraparound settee. I'm just impressed. Every time I come in this boat and I see how open and spacious it is for a 42-footer, I'm just like blown away. Sliding door to a protected side deck. I mean, everybody in this room can communicate. There's a 4-person settee over there. Big galley with some, appliance upgrades. Another great space is the aft primary. Let's check it out. Down here in the primary, it's a full beam aft cabin, which on a boat this size is just gives you so much room. Pedestal queen bed, opening port lights all the way around. So many drawers, I can't even count them all. Fresh carpeting in here, so it's really cozy. This boat also has a diesel furnace, which is ducted throughout, so it's just going to be toasty and dry. Supplemental electric heaters as well. The room's also ensuite, so it's got a shower and vacuum flush head. All right, down here in the galley, which is right in the salon, so everybody's kind of in the same space. Upgraded Vertifrigo, I think that's close to how you pronounce that. Fridge freezer, really nice gas stove with a range, microwave, storage all over the place. Serving area right here, and it serves this dining space over here as well. Probably fit 2 very comfortably, 3 a little bit snug. Maybe get a stool over here if somebody wants to be on the outside. Bunch of space for people to hang out in different areas or all in one space and not be crawling all over each other. Let's go up front and check out the V-berth. All right, up here in the V-berth, nice big bed area. You can have 2 singles or put this filler piece in the middle here to make 1 large bed. I mean, you measured that, that's more than a king there. Opening portholes, access to the chain locker up here. Nice hatch with a screen. And then this stateroom's also ensuite, although it doesn't have a shower. Just has a vacuum flush head. and quite a bit of hanging storage as well. That's about it for the VIP. Access to the engine room is under these steps, which just lift up, take you down there now. All right, the engine room. So we've got a couple little 8.2 liter Detroits with 2,750 hours on them. There's a big Onan genset over here. For such a small, low deck, there's good access around the engines. Water heaters over here, 50 amp battery charger right here. It's got 8D starting batteries and then 4 6-volt golf cart batteries to run the house. 50 amp shore power cord with splitters, battery switches over there, comprehensive little engine room. That's about it for down here. The 42-foot Ocean Alexander, 1989 vintage, solid bones, just really nice spaces for multiple generations to kind of hang out in or together in one spot. The other big bonus on this boat is the price. It's $115,000, ready to run, doesn't really need anything to get going for the summer, and I think that's amazing value. Let's talk about bang for buck. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you on the next one.